So I sort of only have 1.5 hands here, and one of my brake lights, turn indicator lights went out. Well, it was actually incredibly easy to take care of. The only real tool you needed was something to pry with. And what we have here, these two holes have a pressure fit that goes in here. You pull these out, one here and one here. You had to pry them out, so you go kind of around the edges a little to get it out. Then it actually pulls out, and that allows you to, this was up like this, and it allows you to take it off. And then it was just a simple matter of, we've got some that came off really easy when I wasn't on camera. So I guess I used the screwdriver for those too. You can get in there and remove them with a screwdriver. If you're not looking at it, try to film it at the same time. You can see it comes out. Let's do the other one. So here's the assembly that comes out. You just pull the bulb out and never ever touch a new bulb on the glass. Now this one I can touch. This is the bulb that came out, and you can clearly see it has a problem. So it burned out. So we got a new one. Costs about $5, pack of 2, and we insert it back in here and put this back, put those clips in, and we're ready to go. But this, changing these lights in some cars is horrific, and it's kind of nice that this one actually, at least for the rear lights, is actually kind of easy to do. So we just fit that in. We're gonna have to get quite a bit of force on that. Where's the other one? Let me get that one in part way too, so that there. And now all we have to do, maybe I'll have to find something to hit that with to get it flat down. Let's see. Something I could, it's starting to go in. Well, you can definitely tell it's going in as harder than coming out. Who would have thought of that? The job is done, and it works. Voila. This is, like I say, I'm very unmechanically inclined, so it's nice to know there's a repair that you can do easily, and I'll mention the specs of this car, what it is. Here's the specs on it. It's a Chrysler 2005 Town & Country, and this is a conversion van. It actually has a wheelchair, a ramp that will deploy. You can deploy it from outside the car with the key, which is really good. It has a seat that moves back. The driver's seat makes it easier for someone in a wheelchair, like my wife, to get in the chair and drive. It has hand controls too, which my wife doesn't use, and we just never get around to taking those off. We've got to soon, though they're kind of in the way. There we go. Easy repair. What do you think?